Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So my cousin, my brother, and myself were headed back to camp from the deer stands, and we had to go along this tank dam here where we saw a whole bunch of nutria. Here's the after the shoot picture, and we did kill 5, but we only recovered 4. I've got 2 in each hand over here, but I'm just going to annotate in a lot of the information because the shoots actually go pretty quick, and so I'm just going to be quiet and let this play out and let y'all read along as we go because we had so much fun.
You scared one of them.
I scared them.
Yeah, they're still there.
Remember the splash went? No, I didn't.
Hey, shoot the one on the bank. Wait. I think you got him. You got him. You got it, buddy. There's one in the middle of the lake. Further down, you see him?
Yeah.
Ooh, I think you got him too.
Yeah, he ain't swimming anymore.
You see the other one, the fourth one?
Yeah.
You see the fourth one?
Yeah.
Almost. Behind him. Ooh, I think you got him that time. You got all 4 of them.
I don't know, a bait up or a meat thump.
Dude, you got all 4 of them.
You just killed all 4 nutrients? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, can we go retrieve them?
That one's moving. One of them on the bank.
Moving? Yeah.
I'm gonna pop him.
Moving?
Yeah. Ronnie, you want to do it?
No, go ahead.
Hey Kevin, where's the splash going on these close ones?
I'll just read them.
Aim just a little bit high of the keep center. Aim a little bit high. Aim high?
Got him. Oh God, you got him good. Let's go check him out.
Yeah. I don't see the distant one.
I don't either.
Oh. You see him?
You see him?
Yeah. Let me.
Where's he at?
He's in the water going across. Chonga, you want to do this?
No, go ahead. Oh, I see him. Get him.
Well, I'm going to wait till he goes to the bank.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
But yeah, I don't see that other one.
Oh, I see him now.
He's cruising across.
I'll take the next shot if you don't get him.
You want to do this one?
If you don't, go ahead.
He ain't stopped yet. I'm going to let him get up.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay. So put the crosshairs. Put the crosshairs just above him. Yeah. Yeah. Put the crosshairs just above him.
Is it on safe fire?
It's on fire. Okay.
Man, I'm not 100%. Oh, I see him now. Okay. Ready? Wow, he's flopping.
Yeah, he's flopping. I think he does.
I got him. Well, guys, that was this hunt. We actually didn't get any daytime critters the entire weekend, but this is exactly why I keep that 1022 folded up in my backpack, is so that way whenever we're coming across anything that is a target of opportunity that needs killing. And if y'all know anything about Nutria, these beaver rats are just horrible about destroying tank dams and waterways and riverbanks. And so these landowners are super happy that we killed every single one that we had a chance to. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to making a whole lot more coming up soon. Bye.